Mastering non-defining relative clauses. Using when for years. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on mastering intermediate English grammar. Today, we're zeroing in on an interesting topic that can add complexity and sophistication to your speech and writing: non-defining relative clauses. Our specific focus will be on using when for years in non-defining relative clauses. To use when effectively for years, it's essential to understand what non-defining relative clauses are. These clauses provide additional information about something, but the sentence still makes sense without them. They are offset by commas in written text, which signals a pause in spoken English. For example, my brother, who lives in Australia, is a doctor. Now, when it comes to indicating specific years, the word when plays a crucial role. When can be used to introduce a relative clause that relates to a specific time or year. This is most often seen with the use of years or dates. Let's look at an example. 1997, when I graduated from high school, was a significant year for me. In this sentence, the non-defining relative clause, when I graduated from high school, provides additional information about the year 1997, but the sentence would still make sense without it. 1997 was a significant year for me. Let's dive into more examples to solidify your understanding. 1. 1945, when World War II ended, marked a new era in global politics. 2. 2008, when Barack Obama was elected president, was a historic year for the United States. 3. 2020, when the global pandemic started, changed the way we live and work. In all of these examples, you can see how the non-defining relative clause introduced by when adds extra context about a specific year. And there you have it. By using when for years in non-defining relative clauses, you can add rich detail to your speech and writing, offering listeners or readers a better sense of time and context. Remember that the power of language lies in its ability to express complexity, and mastering structures like non-defining relative clauses is a big step in that direction. We hope this video has been helpful. As always, keep practicing, and you'll keep improving. Happy language learning, and we'll see you in our next video.